Removing a sticker with the help of a heat gun. Heat is a great way to relax the adhesive that sits behind the sticker. Now the heat gun I'm using is an average one from Amazon. Apply heat for 30 seconds. While scraping after the heat gun, the behavior of the sticker will totally change. It will act as if it has been melted. It is very easy to scrape. However, there is a chance of it breaking apart. Whether it breaks apart or not, just continue scraping, as it will melt away and be easy for you to take out. Now the behavior of the residue is totally different. The residue is no longer stuck to the sticker and therefore is removed with the sticker. It is left behind on the surface. A few sprays of alcohol and wipe downs is required. The overall experience is still very controllable and easy.